My name is Tamitha Daniels, and I'm the owner of TD Accounting Services. And once again, you've tuned into the musings of a professional. September for me is about fresh starts. It's the smell of fresh fallen leaves. It's new sweaters. It is organizing. Brings back the memories of going back to school. One of those organizational tools, because that's what this video is all about today, is Evernote. Just one that I'm going to talk about. Evernote is an electronic note-taking program that I can sync across all of my devices, regardless of the underlying platform. I can start a note in Evernote on my Mac and complete that note on my Windows-based PC. So it really doesn't matter. It's a great little list. I can screenshot from different programs on computers. I can save entire web pages if I want to refer back to it for preparation for webinars. Evernote can be a handy tool for keeping my thoughts centrally located so that I'm not running all over the place trying to remember something that, oh, yeah, I really wanted to remember that. Well, now I have a place to store it. So organization for me, at least when I suffer from squirrel as bad as I do, is key. But it's not my only tool that I use. And surprisingly enough, for someone who is technologically advanced, or so they tell me, I also use pen and paper. I use something called the Best Self Journal. This is something I take 10 minutes out of my day in the morning and in the evening. I record what my goals are for the day, my 3 main tasks, my calendar and my expectations for the day, my gratitudes, and was I able to complete those tasks. Now, I could do this electronically if I chose, but sitting down with a fresh new book every 3 months, for me, gets my juices flowing. This is keeping me on task, not only in building my business, but on keeping on top of my relationships and making me a better person. It just keeps things front and facing me every day. So that being said, this may not be for everyone, and I understand that, but I'm sharing with you some of the things that I have found to be useful for me, and I'm hoping you find them useful also. Down below, you're going to find all of our contact information, so if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I love hearing from everyone. And don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, I'm always here for you. Until the next time.